morning students. So today we are going to start our chapter 2 of mathematics linear equations in one variable. In this video I am going to explain you about the basic concept related to the chapter. So the students, the topic to be covered in this section is first of all variables and constants. We will understand what are variables and constants. Second, algebraic expressions and equations, means what is the difference between expressions and equations. Thirdly, we will understand that which kind of expressions are called linear expressions and not linear expressions. Okay. In fourth point, we will understand linear equations in one variable, that which kind of equations are called equations in one variable. And in next point, we will understand how to solve a linear equation, means having variable only on one side or on both sides. Okay. And last topic is this, applications of linear equations, means what is their actually use in our life. So first of all, we must understand constants. Constants are those which are having the fixed value. Fixed value means their value is fixed. Just suppose if you are having a 100 rupees note, then its value is 100 rupees. If you are having a 50 rupees note, then it is having the value of 50 rupees, means their value is fixed, neither more nor less. Now students, variables are those whose value is not fixed. We can again take the example of a check. We all know check? Yes. In check, whatever amount we fill, that is the value of the check becomes. If I will fill 1000 rupees, then its value will be of 1000. And if I will fill the value of 1 lakh, then its value will be 1 lakh. It means variables are those whose value is not fixed, and in our mathematics we mostly denote them by the help of alphabets x, y, z and all. Now students, our next topic is algebraic expressions versus equations. So the basic difference is that equations are having the equality sign, means they are having two sides, left hand side and right hand side, whereas algebraic expressions do not have the equality sign. Let us see some example. Expressions are like 5x, 2x minus 3, means it is not having equality sign. Okay, it means it is not having left hand side and right hand side. Whereas if you will see the example of equations, 5x equal 25, 2x minus 3 equal 9, etc., it means it is having two sides, left hand side and right hand side, because of equality of sign between them. Understood? Now students, our next topic is linear expressions and not linear expressions. This we can understand very well from our NCERT book. Just see, these are linear expressions, 2x, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7. Examples are there? Yes. They are linear expressions because reason is this, that you just see the variable. In first case, variable is x, 2x. The highest power of variable is 1. It means that if in any expression the highest power of the variable is 1, then it is called a linear expression, and if the highest power of the variable will less or more than 1, then it will not be considered a linear expression. Just see, these are not linear expressions. X square plus 1, highest power of x is 2. In second case, y plus y square, highest power of y is 2. It means they are not the linear expressions. Understood? Okay, now comes linear equations in one variable. This is not a new topic for us. We had studied this thing also in class 7th. Okay. So, linear equations in one variable means that first of all, only one kind of alphabet, means because we mostly use alphabets for showing the variable, only one kind of alphabet will be used in the equation, and the highest power of that variable will be 1. Let us see the definition. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Okay, it has an equality sign, and we all know, I had explained it also, that if that since it is having equality sign, so it is having two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Okay. Our next topic is how to find the solution of an equation, and the method is this. First of all, we have to assume, okay, that this equation is balanced. Balance means the value of left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side, and since we have to find the value of the variable in that equation by the help of mathematical operations. Mathematical operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and always keep this thing in mind that whenever things are transposed from one side to another side, then positive things goes in negative, negative things goes in positive, multiplication goes in division and division goes in multiplication. Okay, I have just given one example, 2x minus 3 equal to 7. In this I have to find out the value of x. So first of all I will transpose minus 3 to right hand side. Since it is negative, so it will go at positive, means 7 plus 3. Then I have to find out value of x, so I have to transpose 2 again. 2 is in multiplication with x, so it will go in division, means 10 divided by 2, and the answer will be 5. Understood? In this way you have to solve the equations for finding the value of the variables. So students, question is this, that what is the use, what is the application of these linear equations? Then listen carefully that these linear equations are used to solve word problems involving relationship between numbers, solve geometry problems involving perimeter, solve percent and money related problems including simple interest, set up and solve uniform motion problems. Means they help us to solve, to find out the answer of many word problems. Okay, thank you very much. And now just do the reading of your chapter and start your exercise 2.1. So students, don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can see my videos at any time by going on the playlist. Okay, best of luck for your studies. Thank you.